So now let's see how we can work around with Pastel Sketch and Shear Energy effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to work around with them, I'm going to go around over here under Effects section right here. And here you can see that Pastel Sketch is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out over here on this particular clip, then you can see that this is what you have. You can go around and change around the density, as you can see right here. So you can see that the Pastel Sketch effect is there. So you can go around and increase this out, and then you can blend it out with the original just like this as well. And this is the effect that you have, as you can see. Let me just go around and delete out the Pastel Sketch right here. And apart from that, you can see that Shear Energy is an option as well. So you can go around and click and drag this out right here. And then as I go around, you can see that I can go around and change around the Shear Energy right here. The horizontal energy right here, the shear energy, and the vertical shear energy as well. And change around the angle just like this as well. And change around the blend over here as well. So once I go around and press the play button, you can see that the shear energy effect is applied right there just like that. So that is how you can apply out the Pastel Sketch and Shear Energy as you like inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.